down clerk. Policies, information, he has been informative. Let's try to inform us. But I think there are only one or two issues. One, the issue of the equipment. See, these are urban centers. The municipalities are in the cities. The equipment that have been left out probably because of for a reason. Not because maybe these works the government are not willing to facilitate the cities, but in my understanding, you need a specialized equipment. It's assumed that in a city like this, you are supposed to do some maintenance. You need like a bitumen boiler, chip spreader, to maintain this road, not to do graveling and the rest now, because now it's not a city. But as my chair has alluded to it, we have been advocating for that as a committee also. But two, I want to inquire the mode of operation, how you have implemented the 1 billion ceiling. Was it using personal account or contracting? You know, there has been a conflict, even at the district level, even at level. Not until now, Parliament pronounced itself that it has to be maintenance work in combination, but in most cases, people have now gone through contracting, so we can provide that. Otherwise, it has been informative. And the use of the section of the road within the city, which is supposed to be managed by UNRWA. I don't know how a person of that section, how many kilometers, because you see, as a city, the engineers don't think now, because you see now you think outside the box. Because if now a portion of the road within the city, which is supposed to be managed by UNRWA, is like only 1 kilometer. It's difficult for UNRWA to plan for that 1 kilometer within the city, other than planning for the entire section, the entire stretch of the road. So I think that is administrative. You can maybe on one, you can talk to UNRWA. They say, no, we have this. Can you please maybe avail us fear? Because it is just a matter of cutting, grass cutting and cleaning and cleaning. They can assist by providing fear. Or the local levelers use your maintenance team, the GAM, to address that problem, other than now saying you guys should come and do it. Because they can facilitate and give the allowances for your maintenance done within the city. That's my advice.
Thank you, Honorable Nelson. Yes.